DIY Home Improvement Crash Course, Cabinet Refacing and Hardware Installation. Introduction. Welcome to the DIY Home Improvement Crash Course on Cabinet Refacing and Hardware Installation. If you're looking to give your kitchen or bathroom cabinets a fresh new look without the cost and hassle of a full replacement, cabinet refacing is the way to go. With some basic skills and the right tools, you can transform your cabinets and update their hardware to enhance the overall aesthetics of your space. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, provide an overview of the top 12 cabinet refacing and hardware installation techniques, and equip you with the knowledge to tackle your own cabinet makeover projects. Get ready to breathe new life into your cabinets and elevate your home's interior. Stories and examples. 1. The kitchen facelift. Imagine a kitchen with outdated cabinets that no longer match the style of the room. By refacing the cabinets and installing new hardware, you can completely transform the look and feel of the space, giving it a modern and updated appearance. 2. The vintage restoration. Picture a beautiful antique cabinet that has seen better days. Through cabinet refacing techniques, you can preserve the charm of the piece while refreshing its exterior to restore its former glory. Top 12 cabinet refacing and hardware installation techniques. 1. Cabinet cleaning and preparation. Thoroughly clean the cabinet surfaces, remove any grease or grime, and prepare them for the refacing process. 2. Choosing the right veneer or laminate. Select the appropriate veneer or laminate material to cover the cabinet doors, sides, and frames, considering factors like style, durability, and budget. 3. Removing cabinet doors and hardware. Take off the cabinet doors, hinges, and handles to facilitate the refacing process. 4. Applying veneer or laminate. Cut the veneer or laminate to the correct size, apply adhesive, and carefully attach it to the cabinet surfaces, ensuring a smooth and wrinkle-free installation. 5. Trimming and edging. Use a router or trimmer to trim excess veneer or laminate and apply edge banding for a finished look. 6. Installing new cabinet doors. If desired, replace the old cabinet doors with new ones, either pre-made or custom-built to suit your style and preferences. 7. Painting or staining. Apply a fresh coat of paint or stain to the cabinet frames, sides, and any exposed areas to match the refaced doors. 8. Installing decorative molding. Add decorative molding to the cabinet fronts and sides to enhance their visual appeal and create a custom look. 9. Updating cabinet hardware. Replace outdated or worn-out hardware, such as hinges, handles, and knobs, with new ones that complement the refaced cabinets. 10. Installing drawer fronts. If refacing drawer fronts, remove the old ones, apply veneer or laminate, and attach the new front securely. 11. Adjusting cabinet doors. Ensure that all cabinet doors are properly aligned and adjust the hinges if necessary for smooth operation and a professional finish. 12. Finishing touches. Clean the refaced cabinets, remove any adhesive residue, and add any final touches or accessories to complete the cabinet makeover. Summarization. Cabinet refacing and hardware installation offer an excellent opportunity to revitalize your kitchen or bathroom cabinets. By following the top 12 techniques, you can achieve a stunning transformation, whether it's updating the cabinet doors, applying veneer or laminate, or installing new hardware. Remember to choose materials and hardware that align with your desired style, and pay attention to detail for a polished and cohesive look. Poem. In the heart of the home, the kitchen space, cabinets wait for a fresh embrace. With refacing techniques, a transformation unfolds. A new look, a story to be told. Veneer or laminate, the choice is yours. Covering surfaces, opening new doors. Cleaning and preparing, a task at hand. Ready to create, a vision so grand. Removing the doors, the hardware as well. A blank canvas emerges, a story to tell. Applying the veneer, with precision and care. Creating a seamless look, beyond compare. Trimming and edging, a finish so fine. Attention to detail, each cut, each line. New cabinet doors, a sight to behold. Custom made or pre-made, stories unfold. Painting or staining, a color anew. Matching the doors, creating a view. Molding and hardware, they play their part. Elevating the cabinets, a work of art. Drawer fronts attached, securely in place. Smooth operation, with elegance and grace. Adjusting the doors, alignment just right. Completing the journey, bringing delight. With finishing touches, the project complete. Refaced cabinets, a visual treat. Transforming your space, a DIY endeavor. Enjoy the results, now and forever. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of the home, the cabinets reside. A chance to update, with joy and with pride. Refacing and hardware, a transformation grand. Reviving the space, with skillful hands. Chorus. Cabinet refacing, a DIY delight. Bringing new life, to cabinets so bright. Veneer or laminate, the choice is yours. Creating a look that perfectly endures. Verse 2. Cleaning and preparing, a step to take. Removing doors and hardware, a choice we make. Applying the veneer, with careful precision. Crafting a fresh look, with each incision. Chorus. Cabinet refacing, a DIY delight. Bringing new life, to cabinets so bright. Veneer or laminate, the choice is yours. Creating a look that perfectly endures. Bridge. Trimming and edging, attention to detail. Painting or staining, a finish to unveil. New doors and hardware, a touch of style. Bringing your vision to life with a smile. Chorus. Cabinet refacing, a DIY delight. Bringing new life, to cabinets so bright. Veneer or laminate, the choice is yours. Creating a look that perfectly endures. Outro. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.